Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Nihal's Lab Notes. In this video, we are going to see Tableau portfolio project. So let's get started. Let's get started with reference line. Reference line is a line that represents another measure or point of reference. It can be added to a constant or calculated field on the axis. It can be added to different charts as line charts, bar charts, scatter plots, or more. Now let's create a very simple column chart. So to do this, let's put subcategory to columns, then category to columns also, and cells to rows. And as you see here, he's a column chart. The entire graph here is considered as table. The individual here are considered as pane, and each of category is considered as cell. Now, if you want to create an average line for all the subcategories, then you use a reference line. Now to add a reference line, navigate to Analytics pane. Then select the reference line here, option, drag and drop it into table option. So here you can see that a dialog box appears with different options. Then choose a line here and click to OK. As you see, a line is created that shows the average of all the subcategories. Comparing the average of furniture with technology is not the right approach. You are trying to compare the average of shares with phones. The right way is to determine the average of each section or pane. So click here and remove the line. Then go to reference line, but this time drop the reference line into pane, not table. Then click to OK. Now every pane has a different average value. Now let's see trend lines. So trend lines are added to create a generalized path of patterns of moving data. Trend lines are mostly added to line charts in Tableau. Now let's see how to create a trend line. So let's get started with create a line chart. So to do this, drag and drop all the dates into columns and profits into rows, as you see, and choose inside view here. And here's a simple line charts. Now let's click here, and as you see here, we have this month and this month. So this month, the first format is at the top, which shows only a part of the dates, and the second format shows the entire date's value. So we are going to choose this. So here, as you see. Now let's go to Analytics pane here. And as you see here, we have trend line. Then we are going to select it and put it here to linear. And here's a trend line. This trend line shows that the profit over the years has increased. To see this trend line based on different regions, go to data type here and select region and put it into color. So the graphs is cluttered, but you can see the trend line, which help understand the pattern for different regions. You can also click here to region in the legend to see the region having the profits, the higher profits, or the region that is profitable over the years. Now let's create a reference band. So reference bands are similar to reference lines, as they both require two values to identify a reference band. A color graph distinguishes the band between two constant or calculated values. So let's create a reference band between median and average of cells. To create a reference band, let's create first of all a column chart. So put cells into rows here like this. Then go to analytics pane here and select reference band, put it into pane, select band. Here, as you see, we have value sum of cells, and here select the average, and band to sum of cells and select the median. Then click to OK to see the results. So now let's see distribution bands. Here in a new sheet, distribution band. So in general, distribution bands display a band for reference. It is primarily used to compare two values with one another. The first step is to create a bar chart. Then go to analytics pane here and click to distribution band and put it into cell here. Then choose distribution and click to per cell. Then click to fill below and choose stoplights. Then click to OK and here's the distribution band. Now let's create a new dashboard. Go to size and change to automatic. Then go to tilt, put horizontal container or vertical container. Come back to floating, put image here, choose an image file. Here I'm going to choose this image. Resize it as you wish. Then put reference line here. Trend line here. Then the distribution band here. Then reference band here. Now let's change the title of each of them. So go to layout here. Choose border. Okay, then select this where it's in the middle. Size it. Apply. Okay. Do the same for this. Choose. Select all. Put it 18. Put it in the middle. Change the color and select OK. Also, choose, put it in the middle, change the color, apply, and OK. Do the same. So as you see here, Tableau is so simple to use. It's why it's user-friendly. Okay, then select a background. And put this here. Sorry, here. So as you see here, you can select center, east, south, or west. This is called interactive dashboard. And this is our dashboard. I've already changed the title of this dashboard with Tableau Portfolio Project. You can just select here and change it. So you can also select here for presentation mode. And here's our dashboard, which be helpful for you. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see more content. Inshallah, see you soon.